Hey! Did you practice math today? Hey, my name is Matwana. For that being said, if you FaceTime, please leave a comment so I know there's some people watching this video and it's very important. So for me, I can continue to support you. Then I know, oh, there are people who need this type of video so I can continue to support you. Okay, now let's get started. So the first question they say here, uh, Patrick borrowed. Okay, so they say Patrick here. Patrick borrowed money from Zanele. But before I go to question number one, let me do question number. Let me do the Sipesihle question, the question number one, the one at the bottom, because if I do the one at the bottom, and it's going to be very easy for you to understand the face question. Now, let's go. So let's say here, look. So we're going to start with this one right here. Why? Like I say, it's very, very important because if you know how to solve questions, it could be way extremely easier to solve that one. Okay. See, basically, borrow money from the bank at the discount rate. At the discount rate. So we have a formula for discount rate. The formula for discount rate say you say P equal to S, and this is 1 minus discount rate. This is a present value, this is a future value. So S represents the future value. The value of S is the future value. So it says basically the borrow money from the bank at a discount 0.5. 16. So now my question is, okay, I'm trying to listen. How do I know now I have to write this formula? That's the question, because a lot of students sometimes they're confused. Should I use the other formula? Or P equal to P 1 minus interest rate times N? Or should I use equal to and then 1 minus or whatever? So now, okay, let me give you a trick, because a lot of people they confuse, like, okay, which formula I'm gonna use? Okay, so for you to know which formula you're gonna use, you have to look at the words. The words, okay, which words? If you see a discount rate, then you know you're gonna have to apply the discount rate formula for this case. Okay, so the discount rate formula, like I say S P equal to S1 minus D. Okay, now so we know a lot of information here. Look, they say basically borrow money from the bank at discount rate of 16. So D we have already, and then he must pay back 30,000. He must pay back, means that's the future money, is the future amount. Oh, so this one here is S, because the S represents the future amount. So then for that case, the question is done, easy. So we're going to say, okay, so now the amount of money he received from the bank now. Also, P represent the present value. So we don't have that value. We only have the that he must pay back, means that's a future value now. So we're saying there, present value we don't know. That's what we see from the bank. The future we know is 3,000. 1, 2, 3. How many zero here? How many zero? 4 0. 1 amount discount rate. Discount rate is 16.5. 16.5%. Okay, and time. I forgot the time here in the formula. We must have a time. So time is always here. ND. See, so we must multiply this with a time N. What is the time? Time is 8 months. So you say 8 months, and then you over month. How many months in 1 year? 8 months. You must divide by the total month in 1 year. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna simply plug in the calculator. Then we're gonna say this is way easy. So I'm gonna say 3,000. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. My calculator sometimes it can be silly a little. Take a second. Come on, pop. Come. Oh man, okay. 3, 4. One more zero. Okay, yes. And then we open the bracket, and they say 1, 1. So the formula must have an ND there, right? I forgot N. N is the time. N represents the time. So 1, and then we say 16.5. So 1, 6.5, and then come on. 16.5 percent, okay, and then 50%, and there's a 50% and then after that you multiply by fraction 60%, and then multiply by fraction, and they say this is going to be 18, and then we go to the bottom, and then we write our 12, and then we close the bracket, and then we'll be gone. Okay, shift 18, and then let's go to the bottom. But if you have a calculator, I believe that you already got the answer. My calculator is very slow now. Soft calculator emulator is very, very slow. I'm sorry about that. You know, I want it to be fast, but sometimes, hey, you know, my device is just a basic device, so I don't have those powerful devices. That's why, you know, but when the time is right, we're gonna purchase those powerful equipment, you know. Okay, so it's powerful quick. So I totally appreciate your patience. 12, and then we come here, and then we close the bracket. Okay. Oh, so a lot of time now we waste for the calculator, and I don't like that. Okay, so then we say close, please, so my beautiful family can see. I don't know why it's very slow. Okay, equal, take time. Okay, so when you say equal, and then it's gonna give us let's just plug here in my manual calculator. I think I can just simply plug here, and then you guys know how to plug in the calculator, because I can simply plug it for bracket. Okay. So that's gonna be option number 2. So option 2 is the correct answer. Sorry about that. Option. Oh, you can just do this. Okay. The correct answer. So even the face one, we're gonna do the same approach. Okay, the same approach. How we're gonna do this? Okay, let's say, look, face, you need to read, because I don't know. If I say we're gonna do the same approach, I'll be lying mathematical. Okay. So Patrick, he bought money from Zanele at a simple discount rate, which is what? Also, we have a D equal to 9.7%. You see, so now we know the formula we're going to use. He must pay in this amount in 27 months. Oh, so this is going to be S for the future value. So what S we got? What S equal to 35, 1, 2, 3. In how long? 27 months. So what time by N is going to be 27 months over 12 months. So we're going to say now, what do they want? The amount he means Patrick received from Zanele now. Oh, okay, so we know. So we're looking for P now. P now, the amount for now is P. So we're going to say, okay, so now P is 1 minus N time. N time is count rate. Okay, now let's plug it in. So we're looking for the amount now. We don't have the future value. We have S, because they say he must pay in 27 time, means the amount he has to pay in the certain period of time of 27 months, which is represented by S. So we have an S. What is our S? Means it's S. We replace today 35,000. D is a discount rate 90.7. Means instead of saying this or N D or DN, N is the time, or DN, you can say DN or ND. Okay, so time or DN or ND, whatever. Okay, so what is D? Discount rate equal to 9.75. Write your percentage to, and then you multiply by N. What is N? N is the time. Time is 27 months. But whenever you have a month, you must divide by 12, because in every year there's a 12 month. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna plug in the calculator. I hate this. My calculator is slow. And when you plug it, it will give the face option. I can plug it for you quick. Or if you know how to plug, you can simply plug and get the answer. Okay? Or I can plug with you here and get an answer. But hey, when you plug, you're gonna get the option number 1. But let me plug with you here so you can see. So, oh, yo, he plugged with us. I like how he plugged. Okay, so I'm gonna clear that one, and then we go 35, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you see, still, I like this. Okay, no, go to 0, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when you plug in a calculator, it's gonna give you option number 1. You just plug like how you plug. Okay, it's coming now. Okay, bracket 1 minus, okay, say 9.75 50%. I'm just going, it's gonna come. Okay, and then multiply by fraction Come on, man. Come here now, please. Come here, please. Come here, please. Don't act up. But if you plug in a calculator, you're gonna get option number one. But it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. 0.75. Yes, 0.75. Let's finish up. Okay, while I'm waiting for my calculator, what I'm saying, leave the comments below. Share this video. Do not keep to yourself because very, very important that you share knowledge because they say knowledge is power. We learn from each other. You learn from me. You learn good, bad, knowledge. You know, I can learn from you. You know, please leave the comments below. Tell me your thoughts, your thinking process. You know, okay, yeah, fraction 27. I'm just waiting to finish, right? It finished, and then we know we're going. We're done. Hey, did you practice math today? Easy. Okay, so we're right there, and then we're gonna say what? 27. 27. Then we go at the bottom, we say 12. Then we come here, and we close again. Still. Key. So like I say, you know, this one when you plug in the calculator is definitely going to give the option number one. Hey, that's going to be the final. Let's just wait and confirm and say, hey, you lied. Mine does not give me option number one. That's why I want to finish with you so you can feel like, oh, you're right. You know, you have to be very playful with this mathematics. You know, playful. Have fun. You know, you're just having fun. It's like, yeah, it's easy. Just having fun, you know, take it easy, you having fun, and you ask me. Hey, by the way, it's very, very important for you. I'm just waiting for this stuff, eh? Never mind, it's coming. It's full of crap sometimes. Yes, it's too much, it's too much, it's too much. Okay, now it's coming. Sorry. Well, apologies. It's late night right now. Man, it's 4 a.m. I didn't sleep the whole night, just busy doing some stuff. Okay, so now get the answer, get the answer, get the answer, baby. Get the answer. Get the answer. Okay, so man, nah. Okay, what I was saying is gonna come now equal to. Okay? So what I was saying, follow me social media, follow me on Instagram. Community, we have a feeding program, give back, you know, the other to be, you know, to feel inspired, you know, so they can do better for themselves and have so underscore simply Google Mtwana account. You can follow me Instagram, you can follow social media, Facebook. For this, maybe station will have another. Of course, for now, just follow me on social media and you see what we do for the community. For that being said, thanks a lot for your time. It's still nuts. No, this stuff is slow. Okay, so we're gonna ignore that, man. It did not want to give it a it's froze. Thanks a lot for your time. For that being said, I'm gonna have to stop here. We cannot waste more time with this calculator stuff because it's been acting up. So it's a calculator. Bye bye. But the option is gonna be option number one. For that being said, peace and practice math today, huh?